Hello guys, this is the channel Punjabi Munda, and today I'll show you how to deassemble and reassemble fidget spinner's ball bearing. This is a fidget spinner that I made at home myself. It contains three ball bearings. One, this is the center one, and these that black you can see are the tigers. It's looking so royal. It can do many things. It's just same like a fidget spinner that you buy from one. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. You'll need a safety pin, and you will the bearing that you want to open, just take out the seals like this. Put the safety pin into the seal and this. It's very easy. This comes out and these are the balls. This you can see, these are the balls. It contains 6 or 7 balls. This is the seal. Keep it aside. We will use it later. Now take all the 7 balls at one side, and when you will click in, it will all balls will be brought down. So we have opened it. This is the circle. Now put the seal back or on any side. That I am keeping on this side. This is it's fitted. Okay. Now take this thing, this circle in the middle, and hold it from this finger on this and press it with the thumb like this, and enter the balls one by a part. It's very easy. It's the last number 7. Now as we open it, by taking all the balls at one side, for reassembling it, we also have to do it on one side and take one ball out at another side. This we have reassembled the bearing. You can also clean your bearing by this method only, by taking out all the parts and dipping it into the alcohol. So guys, subscribe to my channel and like, share, comment, and put on the bell icon because I'll bring many videos. So bye bye.